Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Buzz Mom. I hope you guys all are doing good and you are safe wherever you are. So this video is for all the pregnant mothers out there who will be having their delivery soon. So in case you are confused thinking what to pack in your hospital bag, don't forget to watch this video without skipping. This video is completely based on my experience and that is what I'm sharing with you all. The very first thing is your medical records which you've been carrying out to the hospital throughout your pregnancy, and also insurance papers if you require for your delivery. A front open nightie would be better than a nightie, just removing over your head. So a front open nightie would be very useful. An old nightie you can wear when you enter your delivery room, your labor ward. You can wear an old nightie, so don't forget to carry a very old nightie with you. So next very useful thing is a disposable panty or a very old panties if you have, because after your delivery you will be having loss of blood, so you cannot keep cleaning your underwear all the time. So in case you have a disposable panty, you can just keep the maternity pad and along with the panty you can just dispose it off. Next is your toiletries, your toothbrush, your paste, your soap, your shampoo, your moisturizer, your creams, whatever you use, your makeup kits. Don't forget to carry that. Next is a bath towel. You can keep at least 2 bath towels handy so that when you take bath you can use that towel. You need not keep running like you missed your towel. So don't forget to carry your bath towels in your bag. Another thing is wet wipes. Wet wipes and dry tissues also you can carry. So to wipe things off, it will be very useful. It will help you in many things to clean and wipe. So don't forget to carry wet wipes and dry tissues as well. Next is a lip balm. Keep a lip balm with you, because obviously lips will get so dry. So just to moisturize your lips, you can keep a lip balm with you. Next is don't forget to carry hand wash or sanitizer. Both is better because I'm not sure whether the hospital provides these both. So in case if it doesn't, you have to have these two things because already it's the time where corona cases are increasing, but it's always better to keep our hands clean when we take the baby or when we breastfeed the baby. Before that, let's keep our hands clean and then carry the baby. Next is I carried some cotton pads or cotton balls like that, so in case your ear pains, you get so irritated of noise, something like that, you can use these cottons to put it inside your ears or any other purpose. It will surely help you. Then socks to keep your legs warm. In case if you feel very cold, you can use socks to keep your legs warm. Don't forget to carry slippers that you feel very comfortable to wear, to move around, to walk around when you use the toilets, So don't forget to carry slippers with you. Next is maternity pads. In case if your hospital provides, maternity pads, then you can omit this. But maybe if you have a specific brand in mind, or if someone has recommended, you can carry maternity pads with you. So the next is nursing pads. This is placed inside a nursing bra so that they can absorb breast milk from leaking. Initially you will have some leaking of your breast milk, so to observe that, you can use this breast pad so that it will not stain your dress and it will not make you feel a bit uncomfortable. So the next important thing is a feeding nightie. When you wear ordinary nighties and feed, I'm so sure you will have a discomfort. So better buy feeding nighties so that you can relax and feed the baby. With an ordinary nightie you will have so much of discomfort. So the next is maternity bras. So at least carry 4 maternity bras with you, because you know what happens is when you feed the baby, you can remove this, there's a hook on the top, you can just remove it and feed the baby and put back it. So this is actually a very helpful thing when you feed the baby. So don't forget to keep maternity bras with you in your hospital bag. So next useful thing was bra extenders, because the size keeps changing. So instead of buying new bras, you can buy these bra extenders that will extend your bra according to your size. So you get this easily in Amazon actually. You can check that. Thank you, new mommies to be, for watching this video. I wish you a very safe pregnancy. In my next video, I will tell you what all to carry for the baby. So wishing you a safe and happy pregnancy. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.